All right, everyone, we're at the new restaurant, Eat, I don't know, it's EET. We're gonna try the bread service here, the Yule chai greeting, and the naan pizza. I actually make naan pizza at home, so we'll do that probably around Christmas Eve. We'll make a nice little thing about that. I use pita bread, that's pretty good for it. But we'll see. It's a tandoori naan pizza. I don't know. I wanted the poutine, but they're out of fries. How are you out of fries? Just saying. Tom Zord, work attraction. So my chai got here. This is an odd angle, I know. I'm not using my gimbal yet, but it's got some like candy cane peppermint things going on. And let's give it a shot. Cinnamon, tea, little peppermint. There's some hard candy peppermint on top that I'm never going to get to now because, well, it's on top and I'm drinking a drink. Why do you do this, people? Like, was I supposed to pick out the candy beforehand to have it? That mint is just going to keep falling further and further down the drink. What am I supposed to do? Tell me, someone. Should I have grabbed it out with my hand and got my hand whipped creamy before? Makes no sense. Don't put candies on top of drink. All right, so here we have the bread service. I'm a fan of Sanaa's bread service. We have a bunch of different sauces. We have honey coriander. We have mint, cilantro, an onion, lime, like a pickled lime, and a tamarind sauce, as well as a paneer pimento. And we have the naans going on. And then we also have a tandoori chicken naan pizza. I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to eat it. It looks like it's got some cilantro on top. It looks different. It looks tasty. And you know I like my stuff different and tasty. Okay, mid-eating update. Good sauce, very sweet. It's just honey and coriander. It's very, very sweet. The minty sauce is kind of like your herbal middle sauce. That onion thing is oddest thing I've ever eaten. Don't. The tamarind sauce is kind of similar to the one in Sanaa. Quite good. The pickled limes or lemons, same thing. Should never have been made. I'm just being honest. Shouldn't be in existence right now. The paneer pimento is quite good. It's an actually nice savory break because pretty much everything on here sauce-wise is super sweet. I guess that's why they gave you some vegetables. Now, let's go over to the pizza. I have like a slice left. I will say I wanted to get the poutine so there'd be like a textural difference between what I'm eating. But since I have naan and naan, it's getting very samey. That's why I'm kind of just eating the chicken off the slice right now. That's kind of what I'm doing. The tandoori chicken with the butter sauce is really good. I like it. Entrees are pricing around between $14 and $18, and also the Yule chai greeting was actually very nice. Minus the candy cane peppermint thing that's still sitting in the cup. All in all, I don't know if I'm going to finish what I have right here. The bread service is 2 pieces of naan that were pretty big, and then I have the pizza also. I don't know if I'm finishing everything. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I will say taste-wise, a lot of stuff is really good. I don't know if I'd do the bread service again, but the naan pizza, the tandoori pizza, really good. I liked it a lot. So all in all, I would say worth a shot. There's also build your own bowls. We can pick your rice and protein. And they also have cauliflower rice as an option. So it's nice to see like a keto-friendly or a low-carb diet choice over here. All in all, I think I'll come try some other things later on. But Tom Zort, the work attraction, saying I'll probably give this 8 Zorts out of 10 on terms of the food. Tasty, little much price-wise, and if you're not an exploring palate, I would stick with anything that has the butter sauce. But enjoy your time in Parks Hall and stay foolish. Bye.